Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel and your channel. Soy Afro, soy natural, and Afro, I am natural. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a fro in 4CA. So stay until the end, and if you like, give a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like my content, you are very welcome to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. I am going to be using in this style the Conair detangling comb. I'm also be using the brush Denman D4, as well the homemade leave-in conditioner cream and hair ties. The process I use is really simple. The first thing I'm doing is I section my hair in 6 parts. I will start with part number 1, and then I will continue from the back to the front of my head. Then with the Conair detangle comb, I'm gonna start detangling my edge. Then I'm gonna comb with the brush, always in the edge. I will focus always in the edge. And then with the leave-in homemade conditioner cream, I'm gonna be putting some in the edge. You can use your favorite leave-in conditioning cream or your detangling cream. In my case, I'm using this homemade conditioner, which is amazing, made by my sister. It's really amazing, I love it. Then I'm gonna open my hair with my 2 hands. I open it and open it and open it, and I repeat the same procedure for all the parts. after I finish all the parts, I continue open a little bit with my hands, and then I use my hand as the pick itself. As the title of this video, you see I'm experimenting using no pick for this style, so I'm using my hands as a pick, and what I'm doing then is picking with my hands. And yeah, then I am picking with my hands, working on the edge with one hand, and then pulling gentle in the edge with one hand, and then with the other hand I start to give the form, like the round form, and then I continue doing that all the way until I arrive to something that I like. I want to say that Afro is enigmatic, sensual, and sexy. And when you look at it, you are wondering how this was made. Well, it's not so difficult to do. For the front, I wanted to do a little bit here in the front, just to pull a little bit down gently, just to give it like a different kind of shape. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I love it. I love this style so much. I really love it. I am in love with it. I think I'm gonna be rocking this every single weekend. Well, this was the style I wanted to share with you. I hope you enjoy it, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments how this style worked for you. If you did some variation of it, what did you do? I would love to know how this worked out for you all. If you have been thinking if you should subscribe or not to my channel, I would be more than happy if you would like to join my community. Don't forget to click on the bell so you get notifications whenever I upload new videos. Take care you all, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.